Imagine a star as big as the Sun getting close to the Earth. Imagine a star 100 times wider than the Earth is moving towards us. 10 times wider than Jupiter, which is the biggest planet in our solar system. Have you ever wondered what will happen if the distance between the Earth and the Sun decreases? What will happen if the Sun gets closer to Earth? First of all, the temperature of our planet is going to increase so much that water on our planet will start to evaporate more quickly, which means that the oceans and the seas are all going to drought and disappear. Just like putting a pot of water on the stove, rivers will start boiling and they will evaporate at a very quick rate, causing them to go dry with time. This is going to be the greatest challenge to the continuity of life on Earth, as the freshwater sources are going to be very rare, and there will be only some underground sources. Not only that, but due to the high rate of ocean and sea evaporation, we are going to be experiencing lots of strong and heavy rain that might be so dangerous. This rain is going to cause floods and is going to last for very long periods of time with a very intense rate that could cause massive destruction, especially if it is accompanied by thunderstorms. However, some of this rain is going to turn into underground water, giving humans a small source of water. On the other hand, this sudden increase in temperature will cause huge changes in the climate. This will cause severe and fast glacier melting, in which the enormous mountains of ice will change from solid to water, increasing the risk of polar bears' extinction if the ice continues to melt at a fast and dangerous rate. Also, lots of other types of animals and plants will go extinct in a matter of no time, because what was once their habitat is now very hot to withstand, and only a few species on Earth are able to adapt to such an increase in temperature. In fact, this would be like putting a matchstick near a piece of paper. The Earth will not be able to adapt to such increases in heat, which will start causing wildfires. We will be having more wildfires than we already do, and all the trees and jungles that we have will be set on fire with time due to the very high temperatures. Not only that, but the wildfires will be much more than we could ever handle or prevent from happening. In addition to the fact that rivers will be having droughts, which will cause the wildfires to be more fierce. I think in the end, we have to feel grateful for the gravitational forces that keep the Sun there in our galaxy without getting close to the Earth. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you again.